I think this industry is bound to change, and the way things are moving now, with the momentum that we have today, I think the time is not too far away when we will be perfectly comfortable, leaving the wallet at home, but still carrying a mobile device, because the mobile device will be the one that you will use for all your payment needs. Whether it is transit ticketing, whether it's payment at your grocery store, or buying movie tickets, or sending money to someone else. So I think the progress that has been made so far in terms of developing the ecosystem, and also the kind of support that the regulators are showing over the last few years in a lot of markets, I see that becoming a reality very soon now. From an Indonesian market perspective, I see two specific issues. One is, I think there needs to be a greater degree of collaboration between all possible stakeholders, and by that I mean the mobile network operators, the banks, the technology enablers, merchant aggregators. Everyone needs to collaborate in terms of playing its role to develop the ecosystem. So I see that there is a lack of collaboration, happening on that front. The other issue also is in terms of regulations, and more specifically in terms of the KYC requirements, which are still, I feel, a bit stringent enough that the end user or the agent is not motivated enough to open the account. It is still very time consuming. It is still very, how should I say, it's still very stringent enough for a mobile wallet to be opened. So I think these are a couple of issues which I feel. And if you add to that the fact that the level of awareness when it comes to mobile payments is still very low, I think that has been one of the biggest challenges for the adoption. It has to be a collaboration of everyone put together, mainly the banks as well as the mobile network operators. Too often we usually see the two industries diverging, but I think they need to converge. They need to collaborate, they need to leverage on each other's strengths. The mobile operator on its part has certain assets to its advantage, its distribution network, its 24/7 access to the consumer, the knowledge that it has about the end consumer. And on the bank side, I mean, the banks have expertise in terms of managing the funds. They have the ability to manage risk. KYC is their strength. So I think we need a collaborative approach in making things happen. I do personally believe that a day will come when all of the use cases that we can think about today, the ones that we deal in cash with, will be replaced by mobile at some point in time. But as I said, we need to collaborate. We need to build an ecosystem where every stakeholder leverages on its own strength, and that's what we at Ericsson in the network society vision that we have of this 50 billion connected devices, we believe in. And that's where this whole concept of open money is born out of, because we believe that just like how when you send an SMS today, when you send text to somebody, you don't worry about which operator that person belongs to, whether he's in the city or outside the country. It's a global standard, and you just do it. And the person, wherever he or she is, gets the message, and that's how the transaction happens. We do believe at Ericsson that money should be open. It should be interoperable, and to drive that, we are taking the lead.